So we've been doing a lot of the most basic parts of a Java language, but now we're going to get into methods. And methods are the place where you start to see how code can be reused and how programs can start to get very, very powerful. So to understand methods, let's kind of go through the structure of the Java program a little bit. So we have this class here, hello world. And inside this class, we have the main method. As I explained before, we use the main method like this because we have to have a main method for the computer to know where to start in a Java program. So what the computer is going to do is it's going to find the main method and it's going to start running the code between the two curly braces that are inside the main method. Now, we don't have to only use the main method. We can actually create our own methods, and that's exactly what we're going to do. So first of all, let's just create something. Let's make a string. Let's call that string hello, like so, and let's make it equal to hello also, like this. Great. And now we might want to print that out. So let's go system.out.print, .print like so. Let's type hello, the variable in there. And now when we press play, we're gonna get hello, which is the string represented by the variable hello. But maybe for some reason we want to do this more than once and we don't want to have to type 2 lines every single time we want to print hello. Here's something you can do. We can make a method that does this for us and then just call that method later on. So what we're going to do is we're going to write public static, and we're going to call this, public static void. We're going to call this hello method. Open close brackets. Use the curly brackets like so, and then we're going to move the code inside this method instead, like so. To explain kind of what's going on around here, don't worry about public for now, that's going to become obvious later. Don't worry about static, don't worry about void. Here is the name of the method, and this is normally where you're going to put inputs, but we're not going to do that until another video. So we have this method now, public static void hello method, and we are writing this and it's going to print hello for us. To use this method though, if I press save and I press play, you're going to see that nothing gets played, and that's because the hello method hasn't been called. We've just written it, we've put the code aside, but we haven't said fire. To do that, we can come up to the main method where things are going to start getting called, and we can say hello method, open close brackets, end of line, like this. We say run, hello plays. Now this is super useful because we can just now use this hello method call as many times as we want. And every single time we get the call, Java knows to go to here and run this code and then go to the next line in main. So we get hello, 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 which is exactly what we expected. Now, if that doesn't seem powerful enough to you, you can actually call methods from other methods. So if we make another method, public static void, and we'll call this the by method, like so. And by the way, this is just the name. You don't have to write method here. You could call this bloop if you wanted to. You could call it whatever you want. What I'm going to do inside the by method is make a string by equal to the string by. That might have sounded a bit confusing. And system.out.print line by, like so. And let's make that print just for consistency. The difference between print and print line is that print line will make a new line. Print will just have the string keep coming in one line. Anyway, so what I can do here now is inside the hello method is I can call by, like this. Nope, not by hello, by method, like this. Awesome. So again, if I press play, this is going to do nothing because we haven't told any of these methods when to fire. But what I can do now is call the hello method, like so. And what's going to happen is the hello method is going to make a string called hello, it's going to print the string called hello, then it's going to call the by method, which is going to make a string by, and then print the string by. Hello by, like so. And again, if I keep repeating the hello method, it's going to just allow us to repeat this code. This is so important to programming. This allows you to kind of solve a problem one time, save it in a method, then never solve that problem again, because you can just call the logic back from somewhere else. That's all for now, guys. If you want to see more tutorials or more student-made content, make sure to check out the TVM YouTube channel. I'll see you next time.